Hello, my friends, and happy Mother's Day to all the awesome mothers out there. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 276 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some lemon ricotta pancakes. These pancakes are the bomb.com. They're going to be full of lemon goodness. They're going to be so light and fluffy and airy, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and these would be great to make for your mom on Mother's Day or any time of the week. So grab your lemon, ricotta, and your flour sugar, because we're about to cook some lemon ricotta pancake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. Give that a whisk. And we're going to set to the side while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1½ cups of my favorite ingredient, evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 2 jumbo eggs that are lightly beaten at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese that let come to room temperature. And make sure you use whole milk. Gonna give all this a quick stir. Now we're ready to pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Pour this in real slowly. And all we do is just fold everything together until it's nice and well combined. Do not overmix. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing the batter. So now it's time to add in the star of the show. 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. And 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Fold this in real good. Smells good. Lemony-licious. If y'all love lemon and ricotta, y'all gonna enjoy these pancakes. Your mom will enjoy these for Mother's Day. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to cook the pancakes. Alright, my friends, I got my griddle heated up to 375 degrees, and I spread it with cooking spray, or you can use butter. So using my measuring cup, my 4-cup measurement, I'm just gonna scoop them onto the griddle. Like so. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to let the pancakes cook until nice and golden brown. And I'll bring it back. Alright, my friends, now it's time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Oh yeah, perfect. And it smells so good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes and I got some butter on top and they're nice and melted. There's one more thing I gotta add to it. Some maple syrup, whipped cream, and some lemon zest. And there you have it, my friends. Don't they look delicious? My mama will enjoy these. Alright, I'm about to take it to her. Hello, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank you, Brittany.
You're welcome. I made you some lemon ricotta pancakes.
They are delicious.
Thank you. Are they light and airy?
Yes, they are. And lemony, you can taste the lemon in them. They're delicious.
I'm glad you enjoy them. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Thank you. Love you too.
My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Mother's Day.